I'm gonna show you how to send money on GCash. GCash to GCash. Dial asterisk 143, number sign, then call. Then dial number 8, GCash. Send. Then dial send money, number 4. And then GCash to GCash, number 1. Send. Then enter amount, 100 pesos. Send. Then enter your PIN, 4-digit PIN, 1044. Then enter message. Say, I love you. Send. Then the beneficiary. Enter the beneficiary 11-digit mobile number or Tattoo Home account number. 09. Your the number you were sending. 093504423235. Then if you send 100 GCash to 0935044234. Okay. Okay, thank you for using GCash. You will receive an SMS confirmation shortly. Okay, successful.